everyone, welcome to Collective Gardening. So today in Plant Story we'll discuss about snake plant. So before going to the video, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon for the notification of new updated videos and to follow us on the Instagram page. So without any late, let's start the video. Scientific name of snake plant is Sansevieria and mother-in-law's tongue. So this is how the snake plant looks. So here I have two varieties of snake plant. One is this dwarf variety snake plant and the other one is this is variegated snake plant. So we do have another variety which is in complete green color. So I have that plant with me. So I do have only these two kind of plants. One is dwarf and the other one is variegated. So today we'll know how snake plant is good for us and why should we keep snake plant in our homes. Snake plant is very good indoor plant, and this is very good air purifying plant, and this has been said by NASA in their research. I definitely recommend this plant for everyone. So at least you should have at least one plant in your home. So snake plant will purify the air that is there in our home. So it is a good plant for us to have in our home. So this will remove chemicals like formaldehyde, benzene, xylene and thylene from our homes. So I have 4 of them with me. Actually I have bought 3 plants. From that I have propagated. So this is a baby plant and this has been separated from this plant. So this is the mother plant for this. So this was growing onto the walls of this pot. So I took that and I have potted in the other pot. So I have another plant now, and same goes with this one also. That is the mother plant for this plant, and I have took this plant and potted in the other one. So I have 4 of these plants, and if you can see here, this is a dwarf variety. This is a new plant which I bought from IKEA recently. So I have recently visited to IKEA and I have got some plants, and in that this is one of the plants. So this is the plant from IKEA. See here, this plant is also having 2 small plants, 2 small baby plants that are coming out. So probably in a couple of weeks maybe they'll grow up and I'll be separating them from this mother plant. You can see this soil medium over here. This is completely coco peat. So mostly IKEA plants are in coco peat medium only. You should not water more for this plant, because coco peat is one medium that that will retain the water and it will stay. Like coco peat, this coconut husk will soak the water completely. Any soil medium we should not water more for these kind of snake plants, because snake plant is a succulent variety plant. So for succulent plants we should not water more, because these leaves will store water inside. So if you cut this leaf, we will get that jelly kind of thing that normally we can see in aloe vera plant. For watering the plant, as I said in my previous video, just need to check with a finger. Put your finger into the pot, and if you can see here, see the sand is sticking to my finger. So this plant doesn't require any water. If you can see this one, I purposely didn't water this plant because to show you people how to check if you can see the soil is very dry, completely dry, and I'll show you. The soil over here is completely dry. So in these cases this plant need water. So this is how we will check when to water the plant and when to not water the plant. So, and for propagation, snake plant is very easy to propagate. So if you can cut one leaf from the plant, if you cut this whole leaf from here, if you cut and put this leaf directly in the soil or directly in water, you can see after a couple of weeks, after 2 to 3 weeks, you can see roots coming out from the bottom of the leaf. So it is that easy to propagate. So it is just like a snake. It is just like a succulents. Like this, likewise succulents, we propagate succulents from leaf. The same way we propagate snake plant from the leaves as well. So that is very easy. So I'll be showing you the propagation in the next coming up video. So till then, I hope you liked the video, and now you got to know the importance of the snake plant. So I hope you will have one snake plant at least in your home. So if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Collective Gardening.